If certain websites are not loading correctly in Google Chrome, or you keep getting connection errors even though your internet is working, clearing the DNS cache may help fix the problem. DNS cache stores website address information temporarily, so Chrome can load websites faster. However, outdated or corrupted DNS data can sometimes cause loading issues, security warnings, or incorrect website redirects. The good news is that clearing the DNS cache in Chrome is very simple. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way to clear DNS cache in Google Chrome in 2026, step by step, even if you have zero technical knowledge. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome opens, click on the address bar at the top of the browser window. Now, type chrome://net-internals/#DNS and press enter. This page contains Chrome's internal DNS settings and network tools. After opening the page, look for the button called Clear Host Cache. Click on it once. This instantly clears Chrome's stored DNS records and forces the browser to refresh website address information the next time you visit a website. Now, there is another important step many people forget. Chrome also stores socket connections that may continue using old network data even after clearing the DNS cache. To clear those connections, type chrome://net-internals/#sockets into the address bar and press enter. On the Sockets page, click the button called Flush Socket Pools. This closes old network connections and helps Chrome create fresh connections when loading websites again. After completing both steps, fully close Google Chrome and open it again. Restarting the browser ensures the new DNS and socket settings apply properly. Now, test the website or connection that was previously causing problems. In many cases, websites will begin loading correctly again after the DNS cache has been cleared. If you still experience connection issues, you can also clear the DNS cache on your operating system itself. On Windows, open the search bar and type Command Prompt. Right-click Command Prompt and choose Run as Administrator. Inside Command Prompt, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This clears the system-wide DNS cache, not just the Chrome browser cache. If you are using a Mac, you can clear the DNS cache through the terminal application using specific commands depending on your Mac OS version. After flushing the DNS cache, restarting your browser and internet connection can also help refresh network settings completely. Another useful tip is restarting your router if websites still fail to load properly. Sometimes DNS problems come from the router or internet provider rather than Chrome itself. Turning the router off for about 30 seconds and restarting it can refresh the network connection. You should also make sure Google Chrome is updated to the latest version because newer browser updates improve network stability and compatibility. Click the three dots in Chrome, go to Help, then select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. So that's the easiest way to clear DNS cache in Google Chrome in 2026. The main steps are clearing the Chrome host cache, flushing socket pools, restarting Chrome, and optionally clearing the DNS cache on your computer as well. Most users can solve website loading and connection issues quickly using these simple methods. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple Chrome tutorials and beginner-friendly tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.